Hi guys, welcome to the Bike Sanctuary. My name is Ben and today I'm going to be showing you this beautiful 1970 Triumph Tiger. As you can see, the condition of the bike is absolutely beautiful. Now, we've got some history on the bike from the previous owners who looked it up. Allegedly this bike was originally, it started life as a police bike. Now, as you know, the police bikes would have been white, so it's clear that the tankers had a repaint at some point. We've got the V5 and the chassis matches the V5, which is fantastic, but it's apparent, as you can see, that the bike has actually had an upgraded engine featured in the later models. Still right hand shift, still kick start, but you can see by the condition of the engine and the bodywork, this bike has really been loved. Gearbox is sweet, brakes are as good as they can be for drum brakes. Tyres are in very good condition. It's been restored to a very good standard, as you can see. Bike features these really nice open pipes that sound amazing. There's a luggage rack on the back as well, should you wish to put some throw over panniers on the back for a bit of touring. Beautiful twin shocker on the back. Again, you can see the condition of the bike. It's absolutely beautiful. We've still got the original carbs that came with the bike and some of the other original parts. Got a fair bit of history, and we're still in touch with the previous owner if you've got any questions about the bike's history or its vintage. Bike's covered just over 17,000 on the clock. Obviously difficult to verify how many of those miles have been done on the existing engine, so viewing is recommended, but as you can see, it's in fantastic condition. It's been really well looked after, really well maintained. Happy to take any inquiries as normal. We're based in Northampton. If you'd like to come and view the bike, you can do so. We can arrange for you to collect, or we can deliver the bike at the buyer's cost. Just ask us for a price, it's not a problem. Any accessories you buy from us with or after the purchase of the bike, you'll get 10% off, and usual warranty will apply with this bike. Thanks for watching the video. If you've got any questions or if you'd like to contact us, you can do so through Facebook, WhatsApp, the website and live chat, and we look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.